Okay, so you're gonna score your mirror with the glass cutting tool. Make sure you apply a lot of pressure. When both pieces are scored, you're gonna take the mirror on the edge of the table, put a lot of pressure, and then you're gonna try to break the side. Be very careful. As you can see, my first piece didn't break in one, but here is the second side that broke in one piece. Now I'm gonna flip it over and I'm gonna try to break off the smaller piece that was left in the first cut. So now we're gonna start the stand. I'm taking my polymer clay and I'm rolling it into a ball. Then I'm gonna cut off pieces in random areas to create a geometric shape. Here I'm creating an insert for the mirror to go in. After it's done, you're gonna bake on 275 for 30 minutes and let it cool completely. My stand is cool completely, so I'm just putting E6000 glue inside just to hold the mirror in place. Insert your mirror and let it dry for 24 hours and you're all set. I love how it came out, and as you can see, I put some washi tape on the edges to jazz it up.